We are going to be talking about some nail plates that didn't make the cut in 2023. But these were plates where it's like, dang, I really hoped that this would get a lot more love. So let's go with the very first plate. M423, Beatlemania. This plate didn't do as well as I thought it should have because there are so many amazing designs on here, right? It could be really, really fun. Okay, on to the next plate, M431. Turn up the volume. So if you love music, this is the perfect plate for you. It has all sorts of music notes. Look at that. Isn't that cute? The next design that I wanted to talk to you guys about, oh, I'm so stoked for this one. So this is Slytherin style. I don't understand. Everyone needs a snakeskin plate. It's just a classic. Now let's go on to M427. This is just in time for Valentine's. If you look at it, there are a million possibilities for really cute Valentine's nails. So this is how you can turn your nails into very expensive chocolates. And now we're gonna do our very last plate. This plate, I'm sad that it doesn't have more love because I'm all about it. And look at how cute that is. Such a chic look. But I hope you guys check out these plates because again, they are amazing and there's so much potential. So it's truly up to you and what you want to do with it.